This week we are lab testing the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. Keep watching to see how it tests out. Overall, I think this is a home run. Just wait till you see more of this inside. You ready to check out the front? Look at these seats. You have two-tone leather in here, soprano and black. 10-way powered driver's seat with lumbar support. Now the passenger, you have to do your manual cranking, but in this model, they are both heated. Plus a heated steering wheel, which we all love. Yeah. And the trim, I love this pattern detail and the dark chrome features. Honestly, super impressed with the quality and design for this price point. And when it comes to storage, this isn't very wide, but it's actually pretty deep, and the storage in the doors is a really nice size. There's a very unique rubberized compartment up here on the dash. I have dog treats in it right now. I guess you could put a camera up here. Infotainment in this model, 8-inch display, smartphone integration. Now it doesn't have a wireless charger, but there's ample space for your phone and your cord to slide right here up front. You can access everything: vehicle information, media, navigation, traffic, even climate control. But you also have dedicated knobs and buttons for your climate system, which I think is great. Plus, there's even a dedicated button to defrost your side mirrors. Gotta love a sunshade that shifts back and forth. Plus, there is a huge sunshade across this panoramic moonroof. So let's hop into that second row and let me show you what it's all about. 40-20-40 split. Hi, Andy! What a great way to peek into the back without having to compromise too many seats. And these seats also push forward and back and recline. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hello there. Plus, if you need the extra passenger space, this thing comes with an optional third row. Now, this model doesn't have it, so I can't demonstrate it, but how cool is that? So think about it. You need to pick up some extra peeps every once in a while, or you just don't want to drive the big Atlas every day. This is a great option. Andy, is it Tiguan or Tiguan? A tiger and iguana. Tiguan. Tiguan! Now the seats don't come down fully flat, but I mean, hey there! You're gonna gain a ton of space with these seats down. Oh, hi. There is so much legroom back here and it feels so spacious. Even though the floor isn't fully flat, if you sit in this middle seat, you will have plenty of room for your feet. Now speaking of center, you have an additional USB port, 2 additional vents, and 12-volt outlet. Now for storage, I'm pretty excited because I think Volkswagen was thinking about Andy. There's some little compartments here, which is great for a fresh kiss. There's also these little slots on the side along the seat, great for a book, a rice cake. Who said you could take that? And you have your traditional seat back pockets, nice bins in the doors. Bye, Andy. Plus, 2 cup holders and a nice cozy armrest. Now Andy wants to show you more of this rear, so let's head on to the back. Under the floor you have a spare tire, plus some additional spots where you could store things. There's also bins on the side, and I love that you could stow that cargo cover under the floor. And when you want to get these seats down, you have 2 levers right here. It starts the plop process. Huh! Now just walk around, push it down, and they don't go fully flat, but check out this space. And as you can see, large dog bed fits back here great. And another cool thing that I discovered, there's a button on this rear door. If you press the one with the A on it, as long as you have the key in your pocket, when you walk away, it will automatically close for you. What a great feature when you have your hands full of stuff. Now, if you happen to go back, it will stop. It's not going to close on you. So let's get this Tiguan back on the road. So when it comes to driving this Tiguan, it feels more like a car. I love how it feels more low to the ground. You're not super high in the sky. You feel like you have good control of it. Since getting this, it's snowed on us, it's rained, it's even been 70 degrees. So I've gotten a chance to drive it in all conditions. So you have snow mode, which I got a chance to use the other day, and I have to say, it did fairly well. Now, I wasn't driving like a maniac, but for the conditions I was in, I have to say I felt secure. You also have Eco, Normal, Sport, Custom, and Off-Road modes. And this gets upwards of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, an average of 24. I also like the digital cockpit. It looks clean, you can customize it, you can even have your navigation here if you want. And the moonroof speaks for itself. A ton of natural light. Oh my gosh! A deer just ran across the road. That was a large animal. Yeah, we almost hit you. Oops. Now, I don't think this has animal detection, but it does have a lot of safety features. And it also has great backup cameras. Alright, well, I'm really glad that we didn't hit a deer, because I don't think Volkswagen would have been very happy. Andie, look what I have! So at the end of the day, if you're looking for a ride that looks good, feels good, and actually has a ton of space but doesn't feel so big, this could be the ride for you. Plus, Andie's been very comfortable back there, which is always key. And we've been doing a little talking, and our top 5 favorite features are: 1, it doesn't feel big, yet you can get this thing with an optional 3rd row. 2, the overall exterior. I think this is a really nice looking ride. 3, the 40-20-40 split. 4, the power folding side mirrors. Those things get so snug to the vehicle. Great when you're pulling into a tight spot. Oh, you like the mirrors too? Oh, you did? What? What else did you like? And 5, that little compartment to the left of the steering wheel. I love it. Sunglasses, easy pass, dog treat, whatever you need. Big thanks to Volkswagen for letting us lab test this Tiguan. This is such a well-designed vehicle. Is it lab approved? Oh, it's lab approved. You like the Tiguan? Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that bell so you know when our next lab tested review is up, and we will see you next time. Bye.